90% of traders lose money. 90%. And you know what's crazy? Most of them have read the books, taken the courses, learned every indicator out there. So why are they still losing? Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to admit. The trading industry is flooded with content. Fibonacci this, RSI that, MACD crossovers, Bollinger Bands, secret strategies, magic indicators. It's everywhere. And yet, traders keep blowing their accounts day after day, week after week. If all these tools actually worked, wouldn't more people be profitable by now? Something doesn't add up, right? Here's what I've learned after years in the markets. The problem isn't the indicators. The problem isn't the strategy. The problem is how traders think. Most traders jump into a trade dreaming about profits. They see a setup, calculate how much they could make, and smash that buy button. Then the market moves against them. Panic kicks in. They close at a loss, or worse, they hold and pray. Sound familiar? This is what happens when traders focus on the wrong things. That's exactly why I started this channel. I'm not here to teach basic indicator stuff. You can Google that in 5 seconds. Instead, I'm going to show you something way more powerful. How to actually think while trading. How to read the market like a professional. How to ask the right questions before every single trade. And most importantly, how to grow a small account without gambling it away. Because let's be real, most of us aren't starting with $50,000. We're starting small. And when you're trading with limited capital, every single decision matters. One bad trade can set you back weeks. One revenge trade can wipe out months of progress. I've been there. I've made those mistakes, and I've learned from them the hard way. Now, let me be completely straight with you. I'm not going to promise you'll get rich overnight. I'm not going to show you some secret formula that prints money. Anyone who promises that is lying to you. But here's what I can promise. If you follow this series, really follow it, you will become a better trader. You'll see charts differently, you'll make smarter decisions, and you'll stop falling into the same traps that keep 90% of traders stuck in a cycle of losses. Everything I share comes from real experience, real trades, real failures, real breakthroughs. No fluff, no hype. Just honest, practical guidance that actually works. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, if you're ready for a fresh approach based on psychology, strategy, and real market understanding, then you're in the right place. This is how to build a small account. I'm Sam, and this journey starts right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because the next video drops soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's build this thing together.